Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today, we're going to learn how to use call recording on Truecaller for Android. It's quick and easy. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Play Store on your Android device. This is where you'll find and update all your apps, including Truecaller. Step 2. Tap the search icon and type Truecaller. Make sure you're searching for the official app to avoid any fake versions. Step 3. If an update is available, tap Update and wait until the app is fully updated. Keeping Truecaller updated ensures you have the latest features, like call recording. Step 4. Once updated, close the Play Store. You won't need it anymore since we're moving to the Truecaller app next. Step 5. Open the Truecaller app. This is where you'll manage your calls and access the recording feature. Step 6. To record an outgoing call, select a contact and make a call through Truecaller. The call must go through the app for recording to work. Step 7. To record an incoming call, answer the call using Truecaller. If you answer through your default dialer, recording won't be possible. Step 8. During the call, tap the record button that appears on the call interface. This will start recording the conversation immediately. Step 9. The call will now be recorded using Truecaller's built-in recorder. You can access the recording later in the app's call log. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.